In this example, we're going to find the equation of a parabola with vertex at 5, 1, opening to the right, and passing through the ordered pair 11, negative 2. Okay, so the first thing we want to remember is the standard form of a parabola that we know, since it's opening left or right, we know the form is y minus k squared equals 4p times x minus h, where the vertex is at hk and p is the distance to the focus point and the directrix from the vertex. Okay, well, the good news is in this problem, we already know what the vertex is. We know that the vertex is at 5, 1, so our h must be 5 and our k is 1, so we can pretty quickly plug that in. So we've got, putting everything else in, k is 1, so y minus 1 squared equals 4p x minus 5. Okay. Now, the other piece of information they give us, because all we have to find right now is the p-value. And once we find p-value, we're done. We have our equation of our parabola. The way we're going to do that is we're going to use the other piece of information, which is that it passes through the point 11, negative 2. So remember, this is our x value 11 and y value is negative 2. And in order to find p in this case, we're going to plug in 11, negative 2 and solve for p. Okay, so that's going to look like this. Let me get all of our information written here. Let's see, x is 11, y is negative 2. Put our vertex in there. So I have parentheses negative 2 minus 1 all squared, which is negative 3 squared, equals 4p. 11 minus 5 is 6. So simplifying this, I have 9 equals 24p. And dividing both sides by 24, we get, and reducing, 9 over 24 reduces to 3 over 8. Cool. Now we're about finished. We have y minus 1 squared equals 4 times 3/8 times 11, or I'm sorry, times x minus 5. And I guess the last thing we could do is reduce that fraction. 4 and 8 reduces to 1 and 2, so our answer is y minus 1 squared equals 3/2 times the quantity x minus 5.